Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your herb gardening game, especially in pots? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of companion planting, a natural and effective way to boost your harvest. Companion planting isn't just an old gardening wives' tale. It's a time-tested strategy. It involves growing different plants close together for mutual benefit. This method can truly transform your potted herb garden. For beginners, it might sound complex, but it's really about observing nature's clever partnerships. We'll show you simple, powerful pairings that work wonders in containers, maximizing your limited space. Why should you bother with companion planting in your herb pots? The benefits are numerous and incredibly rewarding. You'll notice healthier plants, fewer pests, and often more abundant yields. Some plants deter unwanted insects, acting as natural pest control. Others improve soil health or attract beneficial pollinators. It's like building a supportive community right in your garden pots. Imagine fresh, vibrant herbs flourishing without the need for harsh chemicals. That's the beauty of working with nature through smart plant choices. Getting started with companion planting is easier than you think. First, consider the growth habits of your chosen herbs. Do they need similar sunlight and water? Next, think about what each plant brings to the table. Does one repel pests? Does another attract bees? Understanding these roles is key to creating successful pairings. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Gardening is all about learning and adapting. What works well for one gardener might need a slight tweak for another's conditions. Let's explore some fantastic herb combinations that thrive in pots. These pairings are perfect for beginners and offer great results. Get ready to supercharge your container garden. Basil and tomatoes. This is a classic pairing for good reason. Basil is said to improve the flavor of tomatoes and can help deter tomato hornworms and flies. Plant them together in a large pot for a culinary delight. Rosemary is a strong-scented herb that can repel bean beetles and carrot rust flies. Planting it near these vegetables in a shared container can protect your crops. Mint can deter cabbage moths and aphids, but be careful. Mint spreads aggressively. It's best to plant mint in its own pot near your brassicas to prevent it from taking over. Chives are excellent at deterring aphids and carrot rust flies. They can also improve the health of rose bushes, making them a versatile companion for both edibles and ornamentals. Dill attracts beneficial insects like hoverflies and parasitic wasps, which prey on common garden pests. It's also said to improve the growth of cabbage and lettuce. While not an herb for culinary use, marigolds are powerhouse companions. French marigolds release compounds from their roots that repel nematodes and deter other pests. Plant them in pots alongside almost any herb or vegetable for protection. When companion planting herbs in pots, choose containers large enough to accommodate all plants. Good drainage is crucial for healthy root systems. Ensure each plant has adequate space to grow without overcrowding. Monitor your potted companions regularly. Check for signs of pests or disease and adjust watering as needed. The confined space of a pot means conditions can change quickly. Don't forget to provide nutrient-rich potting mix. Container plants rely entirely on you for their sustenance. A good quality mix will help your paired herbs flourish. Companion planting herbs in pots is a rewarding practice that brings a natural balance to your garden. You'll discover the joy of healthier plants and a more abundant harvest, all while working with nature. So, gather your favorite herbs and a few companion plants. Get planting and watch your container garden transform into a thriving ecosystem. Happy gardening, everyone!